It's not unrealistic to suspect that AI systems operate unchecked, potentially infringing on our rights or working in a hostile manner. The EU AI Act is here to change that narrative and help secure the safety and privacy of data subject owners. It's the first comprehensive legal framework designed to ensure AI systems are safe, transparent, and respectful of fundamental rights. The Act categorizes AI systems based on risk levels: unacceptable, high, limited, and minimal. This classification helps prioritize safety and transparency, ensuring that AI technologies align with ethical standards and protect user rights. High-risk AI systems, such as those in critical infrastructure, education, and employment, face stringent requirements. These include data quality, transparency, and human oversight, ensuring they operate safely and ethically. Non-compliance with these standards can lead to significant penalties. This underscores the importance of adherence, as businesses must align with these regulations to avoid costly repercussions and maintain trust. The EU AI Act encourages innovation by providing clear guidelines, fostering trust in AI technologies. Businesses that adapt to these compliance requirements can gain a competitive edge by aligning with ethical AI practices. However, adapting to these new regulations may involve significant operational changes. Understanding the Act is crucial for businesses to navigate these challenges and seize opportunities for growth and innovation. We begin by assessing your current AI systems, identifying those that fall under high-risk categories. Implement necessary changes to ensure compliance with the Act's requirements, safeguarding your business and its reputation. Stay informed about updates and engage with industry experts to navigate the evolving landscape. By taking proactive steps, you'll not only comply with the EU AI Act, but also position your business for future success. Contact us at sales@arrakisconsulting.com to see how we can help you.